Today is October 31st. Yes! Let me turn some lights on so y'all can see me. I don't even know if this is... Oh, this might be... Oh, there we go. There we go, y'all. Yes! The last day of Vlogtober. Let me turn this radio down. I'm listening to... I think that's RZA talking. These buses passing by. Yes, y'all. Y'all can even see my face. Y'all can even see me. Let me turn some lights on. That's all I got. Yes, today is October 31st. We done made it all the way through Vlogtober. This is the last video for Vlogtober. Yay, yay, yay. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I did it. I just knew I was gonna fall off because, you know, I get discouraged when people don't watch my videos. Also, make sure you watch my videos, the entire video. It helps my channel. Also, remember to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom, y'all. Let's ride this out. Ride with me, be my ride or die. Also, welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. What's up? To my OG subscribers, people who've been rocking with me from day one, my ride or dies, thank you for constantly or continuing to come back and check me out and check out my channel. I really appreciate it. I know I'm supposed to be looking at y'all, but I'm looking at these buses, looking at people pass by. But thank y'all, thank y'all, thank you for coming in to my channel, tuning into my videos, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. We're gonna go ahead and get this last video out. As y'all see, I'm at work. It's like 6:25 in the morning. It's still a little dark, but yeah, y'all, this is the last one. Happy Halloween to everyone who celebrate Halloween. It's supposed to snow here, and yeah, so I don't know. Well, Damon want to go trick-or-treating, so you know we going. So I gotta get ready and get on this bus. I'll come back in a little bit so we could wrap this whole last vlog up. I'm not sure if they do one for November, but I'm sure somebody gonna mention it and say it and all these things. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get on this bus because I can't be late. At least I don't want to be late. That's what I need to do today. I need to buy me some winter boots, but some boots that I could wear to work. That's what I need to do. So like I said, y'all, let's get this day going. Get ready to go trick or treat. As you see Damon in the back. Why you have your mask on so they can see what your costume look like? Oh. He's Captain America. You can just put it, yeah. Hopefully he's in the frame. But we get ready to go. I really don't want to go. Shit, I just got off work. But anyway, I have to go because nobody else want to go. So, we finna get it going. Hopefully I could get some good footage because it's dark. I brought my other camera because I don't think this camera do real good in the dark, but we gonna see. I should have put the body thing on where I could strap it to my I could strap the GoPro to my chest. Whatever. All right, we finna go.
Look at the front.
We missed it.
Hold it. I want to get on.
Trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
What, you want to start at that very first house? Or this house?
That house.
Okay, go ahead. Ring the bell. Where your bag at? Oh my God. You forgot the bag?
Yes, it's in the car.
Well, we ain't coming back down this way.
Okay.
What? Yeah, but it's Damon. It's not a whole. Do you see a lot of lights on over here? There's not a lot of lights, so you need to go to the houses where the lights are. Did you say thank you, Damon?
Feels nice.
Yeah, once you get the candy, you just kind of walk away. You say thank you and you walk away. You know?
What the heck? I told you.
Open the door. I promise you there's nobody in there.
Hello, good sir.
I can't believe it. There's nobody in there. When I lie to you, Mike, trip that first.
Damon? Wow. Wow.
I need to go get the video inside the mausoleum too.
Hey, you coming over here with me?
It's hope.
You want to come in?
No.
You scared?
That's my buddy.
Like that, right there is our
Damon.
Captain America, you like peace. There you go.
It was seed on the okay.
Oh no, that's just y'all personal stuff. Okay, you ready? Okay, y'all. We done trick-or-treating. Did you have fun, Damon?
Yes.
Let me see how much candy you got. Raise your bag up. I mean, it's not a whole lot, but he don't ever eat all that candy, no way.
I'll be all good.
What was the best part of your trick-or-treating?
I got to go to McDonald's, the house.
That man was pretending.
I know. Well, first he said, "Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?" And I said, "Can I have some candy?" And he says, "Yeah, sure."
So, when you went to that one haunted house that had the whole front yard, done, was you scared?
Yeah. Well, I wasn't scared when they opened the door and they kept it open. Nothing happened, so I didn't see anything. For real. I didn't see it.
But the whole yard was actually decorated, and that was nice. That was really, really nice. Every year they just get bigger and better every year. But we're just gonna end the vlog right here. You know, this is the last day of Vlogtober. Yay, we did it, y'all. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, y'all.